Konnichiwa, I'm Paqupel, your guide to Japanese flavors. Today we'll explore how 7-Eleven Japan's onigiri evolved, then taste 5 classic flavors. Let's start with the story behind it. Today, convenience store onigiri are enjoyed by people all across Japan. But in the past, the idea of buying onigiri at a convenience store rather than making them at home was not common. 7-Eleven played a major role in the rise of convenience store onigiri, and behind that success were 2 key turning points. The first turning point was separating the nori from the rice. By keeping the nori separate, convenience stores made it possible to enjoy crispy nori, something difficult to achieve with homemade onigiri, where the nori is wrapped in advance and softens. This also made onigiri easier to eat on the go, since you could wrap the nori without touching the rice and keep your hands clean. The second turning point was the introduction of tuna mayonnaise onigiri. It is said that the idea came from a developer noticing a child eating rice topped with tuna and mayonnaise. At the time, Tuna Mayo was rarely used in onigiri, but once it became a hit, it turned into a classic and helped expand convenience store onigiri fillings beyond what people usually make at home. Next, let's take a look at some of the classic flavors you can find at almost any 7-Eleven in Japan. First is salmon. This onigiri is filled with grilled, lightly salted salmon. Salmon, rice, and miso soup are a classic Japanese breakfast, and this onigiri captures that combination. The flavor is savory and umami-rich. From our team, all Japanese, the impressions are subtle yet full of umami, with a well-balanced harmony of salmon, rice, and nori, and a slightly salty taste that really stimulates the appetite. Next is Umeboshi onigiri. This onigiri is filled with tangy sour pickled plum. Umeboshi is one of the most traditional onigiri fillings that many Japanese people grow up with. The flavor is tangy and salty. Our team describes it as seedless and easy to eat, with milder acidity and saltiness than expected, feeling like a more refined umeboshi. Third is Kombu onigiri, filled with sweet simmered kelp. Kombu is also used to make dashi, so it's packed with umami and especially popular with those who enjoy slightly sweet flavors. According to our team, it has a gently sweet flavor with kombu umami that pairs well with the rice. The sweetness and saltiness are well balanced, and the kombu is tender and easy to eat. Fourth is Tuna Mayo onigiri, filled with tuna mixed with mayonnaise. As mentioned earlier, Tuna Mayo onigiri is a hit product developed by 7-Eleven Japan. The flavor is creamy, umami-rich, and lightly salty. According to our team, it's better than expected, well seasoned in a way that lets the rice flavor shine and easy to pair with other dishes. Finally, we have Shio onigiri, a plain rice ball seasoned simply with salt without any filling or nori. Because Shio onigiri is simply rice seasoned with salt, it lets the natural flavor of the rice shine. Flavor is lightly salty. According to our team, it's lightly salted and easy to pair with other dishes, with a fluffy texture and a gentle rice sweetness that really highlights the quality of the rice. If you ever visit Japan, be sure to stop by a convenience store and try some onigiri for yourself. There are many more onigiri flavors beyond the ones we introduced today. And if you have a favorite onigiri filling, let us know in the comments. See you again in our next video, and don't forget to subscribe for more Japanese food and culture.